Hey ALG Handyman Services, this is Emery from PowerShot Leads, and I just wanted to take a minute. And I know you guys are super busy, and so am I. So I'm just going to run you through your business real quick and show you some things that you guys can get better with over there. So the first thing I want to run with you is content, website, and content. So Google looks at how much content you have on your site, and that's what you're found for, and that's how they push you up to the top of search results. They like to see a minimum of 1,500 words. So looks like you guys have no website yet. So we need to develop that website as soon as possible so that we can get that 1,500 words so that we can keep up with the competition in the market. So your competition, on the other hand, when I went out and looked for Bakersfield, California repair, so here's the results, right? So by the way, this is called the map pack, and they're right there at the top. So the first thing we went over is website and content, right? You need to get that content up for 1,500 words once we develop that website. And it looks like your competition, on the other hand, I'm sorry, here looks like they have around 500 to 600 words. So we have room for improvement once we have some room for improvement once we develop that website up, right? We can definitely beat them out with content on the front page and also their back pages here as well. So this is called the back pages. So once we develop that website, we need to add a bunch of pages for you and not just have the few pages that you have. So we need to definitely build this website up to have a lot of content coming through it. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is links. So you have no website, right? So right now you still have no website. So I'll just go with your competitors just to explain this carefully and so that you guys can understand it in different terms, in the easiest terms, right? So we're talking about next is links. So it looks like your competitors has around 1,000 backlinks, 3,000 traffic, and 8.7K keywords that they are being searched for, right? So of course this is called the trust store. So Google trusts them around 28 out of 100, and then their power in Google is around 17 out of 100. So how they do this is the website is actually made up of nothing but links pointing back and forth from each other in terms of links, right? So with with Google trying to explain to the public like, hey, this is the best repair services in Bakersfield, California. So not all links are created equal, and it looks like your competition has some low level links right here. So once we develop that website, we can definitely get that high level links here, and of course it will raise your trust power, and of course trust and power up above theirs, and it will start pushing those keywords. So in terms of keywords, so these are the keywords that are being used in searching for, of course, with your competitor by the public. So when people search or type for appliance repair spec, appliance repair Bakersfield, California, appliance repair Bakersfield, so actually they're at the top of the results when those keywords are entered, right? So right now they are ranked in the 6 million spot, alongside with the other businesses as well. So we got some catching up to do, and definitely doable, I promise you. So when I went out and did some searches, like I said, right, Bakersfield, California repair, they were at the top spot, right, in the map pack. And after that, the next thing we're talking about is, of course, citation. So it has everything to do with this map pack right here. So of course, to get up there in this spot, it's about your name, address, and phone number being throughout the web on directories such as Yelp, Citystar, Yext, and all those different directories. So Of course, it has to be your exact name as it appears on Google, your exact address, your exact business phone number as it appears on Google, and of course, it's got to be pushed throughout the web. So when I pulled a research here, and let me go back to return to results, I was there looking at it. So looks like you guys have around 4 citations, and your competitor right here has around 8 citations. So of course, we need to get your citations above theirs to start beating them in the map pack so that you can guys appear here at the top, right? So you probably ask yourself how I do that. Well, I click in here, and when I click in here, right, I am able to see, of course, the citations, of course, that they are tagged in, right? So once we go after those after we go after those same citations, we can go after with this, right? And then we start beating them on the map pack. So that goes for the same with links, guys, right here. So these are called the backlinks, right? So I'm able to click into their backlinks, find what backlinks they have, so and I can go after those or better ones too, so that we start beating them organically. So for your information, these are the links that direct when click when a link is clicked, it actually directs the people to your competitor's website, so we can actually get this and use it, right? So um, that's it. Okay, so anyways, I gave you the 3 things that I think that would tremendously help your site. Of course, links, citations, and lastly, website and content. So if we do those things today, we could start beating your competition down the road. So if you guys need any help with developing your website, of course, and creating a website, so give me a call, and of course I will be leaving my details via email or via Facebook chat. So I'm going to let you go now. Thank you and have a great day ahead.